Hello, teachers and parents, and welcome to Math Unlocked, where I get to offer you strategies for teaching math for grades 3, 4, and 5. My name is Miss McCarthy. I'm the creator of McCarthyMathAcademy.com, and I'm on a mission to make math fun, make it click, and make it stick for you so that you can get out there and support the students that you work with. In today's episode, I will break down a 5th grade skill involving addition with decimals. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it, and let me teach ya. All right, addition with decimals. So first things first, because we are working with addition here, that means that we're going to be joining these two amounts together. Before I break down the correct way to solve this problem, I want to show you a typical, very common mistake that 5th graders tend to make. Because you see, they're so trained to line up their digits, right? To line up their digits that they will sometimes do it like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and write wrong over here. Okay, that way we know what I'm about to do is wrong. Let's see if you can catch my mistake. Okay, did you catch it yet? Yeah, students, they tend to make a mistake where they line up the digits and not based on place value, because you can see right here, this digit 1 is actually in the thousandths place, but this digit 3 is in the hundredths place. They're in totally different places and they have different values. So we need to make sure that we adjust it over. So this one is wrong, okay? We don't want to do that, but I want to point that out. That way you can expect that that's a common mistake that they're going to make. In 5th grade, we're working with all 4 operations with decimals. We're working with addition, we're working with subtraction, multiplication, and division. And there's different things that we're doing with the decimal and they get a little tripped up. So I always remind students that when we add or subtract with decimals, we need to line them up, meaning that we need to line up the decimals. So let's do that. Add or subtract with decimals, we need to line them up. So now let me go ahead and redo this one. Okay, so now for my next number, for 93 hundredths, I'm going to start it by placing my decimals right underneath each other and then filling it in. Okay. Now you'll notice right here and right here, I've got some empty spaces. And to hold that space and make sure that I'm still lining up my digits, I can go ahead and put a 0 there. No problem at all, okay? Now we just add these digits like we've been adding for years, right? We have 1,000th plus 0 thousandths is 1,000th. 7 hundredths plus 3 hundredths is 10 hundredths. So I like to say, woo, it's high up here. Nice landing, dude. Now we have 1/10 plus 8/10 is 9/10. 9/10 plus 9/10 is 18/10. Woo, it's high up here. Nice landing, dude. And I could have even put my decimal down there to line it up all the way down at the beginning if I wanted to. Sometimes I forget, but that's okay because we had time to do it right there. Now we have 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 0 wholes makes 2 wholes. So to read this, we have 2 and 801 thousandths. 2 and 801 thousandths. And what we did right here was we found the sum. And remember that when we are adding, we are joining amounts together. Okay, joining it together. That way they can start to recognize it when it's in a word problem. You have 2 amounts, and are we combining them? Are we joining them together? If so, it's addition. Okay? All right, so I hope that you found this to be helpful. It's a pretty simple skill, but if you need some more support with this skill or any other 5th grade skill in math, I encourage you to stay tuned because I'm about to break down some next steps that you can take. I hope you found this episode to be helpful. If you did, please let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. It's an easy way to support the content that I bring to you for free on YouTube. If you're a teacher or a parent, especially in Florida, you'll definitely want to check out McCarthyMathAcademy.com. Here is where I offer fast math freebies, including a playlist of fast math-style problems and video lessons to support your teaching. For those ready to dive deeper, check out Taking on the Best, a monthly membership packed with video lessons, student guides, extra practice, error analysis videos, math tasks, mini assessments, and much more, which are all strategically aligned to Florida's best standards. With 3 levels, bronze, silver, and gold, you can choose the support that best fits your needs to promote student growth and skill mastery. Would you like to take Taking on the Best for a test drive? You can sample 1 standard per grade to find the right plan for you. Do that by simply requesting a free trial. And if you're gearing up for the final Fast Math assessment of the school year, definitely check out Taking on the Fast, a 15-day countdown series with video lessons and fast-style math problems. Start with a sneak peek of day 1, and when you're ready, you can make a one-time purchase. And if you're thinking about the gold plan for Taking on the Best, good news! Taking on the Fast is included in your membership. While many of my followers are in Florida, I know that there are teachers and parents everywhere looking for support. That's why I created McCarthy Math 155 with 155 video lessons for each grade level, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. You can also sign up for a free trial to McCarthy Math 155 to explore it before signing up for a monthly membership. And finally, if you've enjoyed my math music videos on YouTube, you can also jam out to ad-free versions on my website. You can find all the links below, and please feel free to email me with any questions that you have. I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Until then, get out there and make the world a little bit brighter in your own special way. See you next time.